Welcome to College Survival Foods. Gonna make the kind cake today. Gonna need flour, sugar, milk, vegetable oil, baking soda, baking powder, cocoa powder, vanilla, bananas, and 1 egg. Use one medium-sized bowl and mix the dry ingredients and then add the wet ones, And if you stay one vegan or vegetarian, use the kind soy milk and 1/2 banana instead of 1 egg. I know what you stay thinking. Braddah Ethan, how you gonna make that kind in the stuff? Boy, no worry. I got 'em. Shame on you. No, trust me. Look, when come out perfect. Thank you for watching and shoots!